Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Apple Pay to Amazon. So without any further ado, let's just get right into it. So first starters, you want to go to amazon.com, log into your account, and then hover over the hello, your account, and lists. It will drop down a menu. From this menu, choose account. And then from here, you want to tap on your payments. Once you've hit that button, you want to add a payment method. And then you see the option to add a credit or a debit card. So tap that. And from here, you can add the information to your Apple Card. Once you've requested an Apple Card, you can get the information and then simply input them right here and then press on Add Card. And it will be connected to your Amazon and you can use it to purchase products, etc. on Amazon.com. That will be all for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.